Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company. Today is Monday, August 17th. Happy birthday to my now adult twins, Drew and Bryce. Today we have some new fabric for you and a couple of new kits. Let's start with the kits. The first one is called Festive Jewel Kit, featuring all Cafe facet fabrics. I'll unzip this and show you the pretties inside. This kit's going to have everything you need right here in it. And the fabrics are gorgeous, all in kind of fiery red shades, and you've got some teal greens. So a fun take and make. You don't have to spend a lot of time in store shopping. You can just grab the kit and go. So again, this is called Festive Jewel Kit by Cafe Facet. The next one we have is called Bzz Mini Quilt Kit. This is similar to one I made that's on the wall over there that is Ladybugs. It's made by the same designer. So this is a paper pieced kit, and it contains yellow, black, and then this other fabric is so adorable. You've got an actual bumblebee fabric right there, a white fabric with little bumblebees on it. So also a fun thing to make and take and make, whatever. If you enjoy paper piecing, this would definitely be a great idea for you. It probably finishes around, baby quilt size, 32 by 32. So a perfect quilt to make and gift. Next up, we have Farm Life by QT Fabrics. And I will just kind of roll through these and show them to you. Definitely a different take than the normal farm fabrics that we see from our manufacturers. This one has definitely a more modern feel to it. Inside those flowers, you can actually see some typing. So a little different than usual. And this color is more cranberry than the usual brick red that we see with Farm Life type prints as well. These are really fun little chickens. And then another version of that daisy print. So definitely kind of a modern upgrade on the traditional farm fabrics. And then we got these beautiful black and whites called Opposites Attract. Obviously, they are flip versions of each other color-wise. Black and white quilts are definitely a fun way to go, especially if you add a pop of your favorite color, say purple or lime green. So hopefully these guys will have you coming up with some good ideas for your next quilt. Black and white often makes a very dynamic and exciting quilt. So that's what we have for you today. Tomorrow we have a ton of new backing fabrics. So if you've been waiting to find the perfect backing for all those quarantine quilts you've been working on at home, we've definitely got a lot of new ones in. So we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.